Hello everyone, my name is Naj. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this braid out on my sadly heat damaged hair. These are the products and tools that I used. I will be sure to leave a list of these products in the description box. So be sure to check there if you want to know where I got these items from. I like to start on 80% dry hair because that makes for less shrinkage when I take it out. So as you can see, I'm taking about a medium-sized section and I'm spritzing it with just plain water and just dampening up that section a little bit more so that I can apply the product. Here I'm applying the Curl Smoothie. I am generous with the amount of product that I use because when I use more products, it comes out more defined and it lasts longer. Now I'm adding in the Eco Styler gel from tip to root. I like to focus more on my ends because that's where I like the most definition. My roots I end up picking out anyway, so I don't worry too much about it. And to make sure that all the product is evenly distributed, I brush through. And I start to braid. Now, as I'm braiding down, you'll see I'm gonna take a comb and I'm gonna keep detangling. So as I go down, I just keep detangling the hair to make sure that it's super smooth and I don't have any tangles and that it'll come out super defined. My god sister was spilling the tea. Look at my face, y'all. She was spilling the tea. I was not even paying attention. Look at me. I'm about to be all out the frame. I'm so sorry. I think this happens a few times, but y'all get the gist. So once I make it to the end of my hair, I'm taking this wrapping paper and I'm going to just smooth it down and roll my hair in the rod. Just the ends. So I just decided to pick up the speed with it because I feel like it's pretty simple. Curl Smoothie, gel. I do add actually some castor oil on top of that, mainly to my ends, and braid it down. Make sure as you're braiding, your hair is super smooth, so keep detangling as you braid down. Take your end paper and wrap the rod around your ends. The reason I do the rods on the ends is because it just adds for more of a defined look, and especially now that I have these jacked up, dead, heat damaged ends, I have to do it because I would look crazy. I'm all finished. This is what I look like. I love y'all because I do not like being seen like this, but I go to sleep with my hair like that. And the next day, I actually took out the rods because I wore my hair in a head wrap to school. But this is like what my hair looks like with the rods out and dry. Little baby braids. So I apply some castor oil to my hands and I simply take them out. I'm not super gentle with how I take them down. I just take them things out. So all the braids are out now, and this is what my definition is looking like. So now at this point, I'm being very gentle. I have the castor oil on my hands, and I'm just gently pulling each piece apart. And then as I pull it apart, I just curl it around my finger to make sure that I don't create too much frizz. I feel like you can't avoid frizz, but you can minimize it significantly with how you take your hair out. So just be patient on this part. Pull each section where it naturally parts, if that makes sense, and just curl it around your finger. Now it's time to pick and fluff. I take my pick, and as you can see, this big giant part in the middle of my head, we want to remove that. So I take my pick and I gently just pick out the root as much as I can. I don't know why that part gave me a hard time. It was not trying to go away. Like it took me days to get rid of that part. As you can see in the beginning of the video, I didn't do any defined parts with my comb. I just grabbed sections because I don't want to have those neat parts all over my head when I'm taking it down. So that's another tip for you. Don't make defined parts because then it's going to be harder to get rid of them when you take your hair down. And this is what my hair is looking like on the first day. I don't like first day hair. I do not like it. It's not as big as I like it to be. I need a little humidity to hit my hair, but this is what it looks like. Very defined, too flat for my liking, but it gets better. So this is my hair on the third day after taking it out. And God came through on this braid out because I'm dead serious when I tell y'all I pray before I do my hair. Most of the time, sometimes I forget. But most of the time I pray before I start doing my hair because I don't have time to waste, okay? I don't like doing my hair already, so I need it to come out right so we can move on, all right? I don't need to be going back and fixing it, no. We're gonna get it right the first time. If you don't try it often, this is like your first time doing a braid out, you know what I'm saying? It'll probably take a few tries to figure out what products work best for you and what techniques work best for you. This is just what I do. Hopefully it works the same for you. If not, don't be discouraged. You will figure it out. You will. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, comment, give me some suggestions on videos that you guys would want to see. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.